To add an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story, start by ensuring you have an Amazon Associates account. If you don't have one, sign up for it on the Amazon website. Once you have an account, find the product you want to promote and get the affiliate link from the Amazon Associates dashboard. Next, navigate to the Instagram app and start creating a new story by tapping the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Take a photo or video or select one from your gallery. You can also use the Instagram story features like Boomerang, Reels, or live streaming. After you have created your story, tap the sticker icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select the link sticker. If you don't see the link sticker, make sure your Instagram account is approved for the feature. In the link field, paste the Amazon affiliate link you obtained earlier. Make sure to use the full affiliate link to earn commissions from sales. You can also add a call to action like shop now or learn more to encourage your followers to click the link. Before posting your story, make sure to disclose your affiliation with Amazon by adding a hashtag like affiliate link or sponsored. This is a requirement by the Federal Trade Commission to maintain transparency with your audience. Finally, post your story and track your affiliate earnings through the Amazon Associates dashboard. You can also use Instagram Insights to monitor the performance of your story and adjust your strategy accordingly. Best practices for adding Amazon affiliate links to Instagram stories include using eye-catching visuals, being transparent with your affiliation, and promoting products that are relevant to your audience. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add Amazon affiliate links to your Instagram stories and earn commissions from sales.